Hi my friend, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. So I've been completely neglecting my skin for the past few weeks. I haven't been taking care of it the same way. I've been eating whatever I want, I've been traveling, I've been doing whatever, and I haven't had a time to really sit with my skin and really kind of connect in doing some face massage. So it feels really amazing. So to be back home, I have a little matcha green tea here with me that I love, and let's connect. Let's do a little face massage, 5 minutes to wake up our skin and just feel good again. So let's get started. So let's get started. So one of the things I really have noticed that it's okay if you forget to do your routine, if you haven't done it in a while. Don't beat yourself up over it. Let's just get back on the horse. Let's just get into our routine again. And the more sooner we do this, the better it is. So we're not like feeling bad about it and then waiting another 2 weeks and then not doing it. So let's just get back on it. Okay, so I have a little matcha green tea here. I've been trying to hydrate myself after my travel too, so drinking tons of water, and I'm kind of staying away from coffee for the first few days because it's kind of getting me all jittery from some reason. I'm just sticking to matcha, which feels a bit more supportive. I have my face oil here, I got my Global Face Serum. Let's apply a little bit here, and we're gonna do just a gentle massage today. Kind of get started. We don't have to spend too much time on, you know, when you're taking a break, you kind of don't want to start getting into it too fast. Well, you can if you want to, but I'm just going to take 5 minutes here to just really kind of connect. And so, oh my God, I love the scent of this face oil. It just kind of wakes me up right away. It contains mandarin oil, and so it's very uplifting scents. I feel it right away. So it's perfect for in the morning when you kind of want to wake up your skin and wake up your energy a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna get started by just applying a little bit of pressure here on my forehead area, massaging outwards here. So we are going to massage with our fingers outwards. It feels really good to just taking some time to connect again with my skin. Always remember to take some nice deep inhales and exhales too. Okay, let's do our eye area. I always get so puffy around my eyes after I travel, and especially when I've been taking a break from doing any kind of massage or gua sha or face yoga. I always tend to get really kind of like droopy eyes, and I just like to spend a little bit more time on the eyes here. So now we're just gently massaging, gliding all the way from the inner to the temples over here. And gently on the eyelids as well, right here. Massaging outwards and upwards like this. Okay, see the difference here? Okay, let's do this on the other side. I love this massage because it kind of releases the tension in our jaw, but also it's really wonderful for kind of lifting the cheek area right here. to release some of that tension in our jaw. This is where I tend to get a lot of tension. I just somehow just clench my jaw a lot. And this is a wonderful way to just sort of release, get some movement and blood circulation in this area here. Going to end the routine here by just doing some tapping on my face. This is really great for kind of boosting that circulation, adding some glow to the skin. Great. So thank you so much for joining me. I already feel like my skin and my face is looking a little bit more awake and refreshed. So this is sometimes all it takes, 5 minutes of kind of reconnecting, applying a bit of face oil, taking some time to massage the skin and kind of get some blood circulation and release any of that tension. And especially if we kind of fallen off the wagon and we kind of forgot to do it, or we haven't had time, or we've been traveling, or whatever the case may be, just get back on it again. Take 5 minutes. It feels so good to kind of reconnect with your skin again. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to go a little bit deeper into face massage, I have a really wonderful longer face massage ritual that you can do that takes a little bit more time and going deeper into the muscles and the fascia and the skin. So you can find that one here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.